Hello, my name is Shantala Singh. I am a graphic designer at Sea, and I'm just going to quickly show you in this video how to get free icons from the internet and get them into your Canvas course. So there's 3 sites I could recommend. One is flaticon.com, another is icons8.com, and one is thenounproject.com. Now in all of these, you'll have to create a free account with an email and password, and then you can just put in a general search term like classroom, and a bunch of icons will pop up. And with icons, the simpler the better, because you generally use them at a small size. So some of them are much too complex to be read at a very small size. So I'm going to pick a nice simple one here, and I'm going to click on Get This Icon. Pro download means it's royalty free. So I'm going to choose Basic download. If we hit continue, we'll see what rules come with that. Now, it says here if it's larger than 100 pixels, you have to keep the words in the icon like that. But you can crop those words out if you have it at a smaller size, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to copy, hit Command C to copy this attribution text, and I'm going to download the PNG file. I'm going to drag it onto my desktop, and I'm going to double click on it. And using the native Mac editor called Preview, I'm just going to make a rectangle around the icon, the images, and I'm going to exclude the words, and then I'm just going to hit Crop under the tools. And if you're using Windows, you'll have a native photo editor, which is very similar as well. I'm going to save that, and then I'm going to go to my page on my Canvas course. I'm going to hit Edit, and in the Edit window, you just hit Image Embed button, upload your image from your desktop, and once you have it, because I didn't include the words, I'm going to shrink it down to under 100 pixels. Of course, if you want to include the words, you don't have to do this part. You can keep it larger, and I'm just going to hit the the paste button, and I'm going to have my attribution at the bottom of the page. Presumably you'll have some content there. I'm going to make the attribution gray so it doesn't stand out too much, and I'm going to hit save. And there I have my icon in my Canvas page.